And here we go. All right, we're doing another live. We are going to put my screen up. Market just opened up. All right, so this is what we're doing today. Trading the market for some additional money. Well, trading, day trading, paper trading, paper trading. Okay, no, let's do this later. So the market just opened, and I'm doing the whole VWAP bounce strategy. So, okay, okay, previous days. So what I'm doing is previous day's high, woo, previous day's low, and this is what I'm taking my my trading, my ride sharing money into. So, all right, and today's open, and I'm gonna mark today's open. This is just for now. This is some other indicators that I should be putting in there, but hold on, let me see. All right, open, close. Wait, what's going on here? Okay, we got my open and my close strategy for my trading right now. Where's Vin? Vin, I thought you was asking for me. All right. What I'm gonna be doing is okay. The VWAP bounce strategy, which is my orange line right here, orange line, green line, and my red. So my red, which is my 200 EMA, indicates the direction of the market, which it looks like it's up, and I'm gonna be trading the. Wait, hold on. How do I send the invite? Wait, hold on, man. I thought you could actually just go in there. Okay, hold on. Let me see. How do I send the invite? How do I send the invite? I got it. I got it. I got it. Up to 10 guests. Here we go. Wait, hold on. Are you in? I heard something. Oh, there he is.
Talking to you, bro. I'm not talking to you.
But
He's like,
how do you need an invite?
getting I'm getting there. I'm getting there. I'm almost there. I'm getting there. I'm getting there. I make a few jokes about that's what she said, and you start the stream without
Yeah,
me. Like you, banana
yeah.
head. Why did you do that to me, bro? Oh my god, this is supposed to
But
be peaceful. It's
I
supposed
thought
to
you
be.
were already going to be in here.
No,
I
I've
thought you were already going to be in here. All right, let's do this. Um,
I'm having a little technical difficulty with my account this morning, so I'm going to wind up being in a paper tray mode again today while they straighten.
nice.
Apparently, somebody tried to hack my Weeble account. So
Ooh, really?
yeah, not good. Not good.
Yeah.
Not
No,
good.
no,
Not,
not not
not that
not
it's
not
a
good
lot
at
of money
all.
in there. Not that it's a lot of money in there, but hey, bro, it's a few dollars in there. It's a
Well,
few dollars in there. I'm just saying, Weeble, come on, get right. But you know what? They caught it, so I guess they did get right.
okay,
Anyway,
so I have my call. So yep. So again, I'm doing the whole VWAP bounce strategy. This is gonna be my put right here. Okay, I have everything set. I'm about to take my trade. Man, I've been reviewing all my trades lately, and All right, I gotta give it like the first 15 minutes before I make a decision here.
Yes. Young Padawan is learning. He's learning.
Yep. And I mark my indicators, but I need to learn how to mark my points of support and resistance.
Ah. Well, I'm only focused on SPY right now this morning.
So let me see on a daily. It looks like the SPY. Ooh, SPY is right up there. All right, so I don't know. I don't know if anybody's
See,
watching
it's get,
right
you see
now.
it's get you see it's getting close to that long term downtrend line, right?
Yeah. So, oh, hold on. This is my line. You know, it's just been downtrending, and it's right there. It's right
Yeah,
there.
it's right there.
So either it's gonna, again, it's just like a zone type of thing. So it's like again, it's more like, hold on, can I duplicate this line? How can I duplicate this line? Whatever. I don't know.
I don't
Can't
know.
duplicate. So you just want to put
Nope.
another one, like right above. So it's like it's the zone where it's actually gonna turn around to the downside.
Oh, well, see, that's where you run that parallel channel. You know what I mean by the parallel channel. So go up to your
Yeah, correct.
indicators,
Oh, here we go.
run a
Okay.
parallel channel on top of it.
No, damn it. That's not what I wanted. Man. So here's my parallel channel here. Okay. I'm going to market. I'll move it later. Okay, here we go.
Oh, excuse me.
All right. Parallel channel. Let me select this baby and shrink it just a little teeny bit. It's like right there. Yeah. All right. Just as a point of reference right here because of this high. And it's like right there in the zone. So the way I'm seeing it is, let's see what it does when it hits the 200. If it breaks down and or it keeps going up, which I've been hearing that the SPY might be turning around.
Well, I don't know. We're gonna see. I've got a couple of zones set up. Hold on, I'm applying my 10 cents a gallon for Shell. Okay, that's done. Um, I mean, I got a couple of zones to the bottom, and obviously we've got that hard resistance downtrend, long term downtrend up top. So I've got a low of
Oh,
pre.
wait, no. I have a funny feeling. The SPX, remember that 4,000
Yeah,
limit? Okay, it hit it and it's turning around right there.
yeah, it's rejecting.
Yeah.
It's rejecting because SPY is rejecting.
So, okay. Ooh.
So I'm looking to see if SPY can hold. If SPY can hold the low of pre-market, which is 397. That's what I want to see right now. I want to see if it can hold the low of pre-market. You see your pre-market low there, 397 on your chart?
Yes,
Pre-market
right
low.
here. Yep, I
Right.
see
I
it.
want to see I want to see what it does there. That's what I'm waiting on right now. Because if you look at your candles, obviously they're red, but they're not overall bullish. I mean, bearish.
Yeah, well, you're talking about
There's
the
some
volume.
buying pressure. Yeah. And volume is low, bro.
Yeah, it is low.
Volume is very, very low to start the morning, right? On average, 78.8 million. traded right now only at 1.35. That's it. Volume is very, very low. Oil is pumping up a little bit. Where we at? $80 back up to $81 a barrel. Um, Dixie is down. Dollar is weak. And usually when the dollar's weak, the market's strong. VIX is low. It's under 20. And 10-year bond is down. So SPY might rip.
So let's see. Let's see what it does. My intuition. See, I don't want to go by my intuition. I want to see what the chart is telling me, which I have always read. So, well, this is my intuition. Okay.
I might take a shot here.
So am I.
I'm looking at a 401 call for today. It's cheap enough right now. There's plenty of freaking volume in there, dude. I think that's what I'm going to do. I just want to wait and be sure. We are at 9:43, 2 minutes. We hit that 15-minute mark. So,
Oh, and I forgot. I got my call right here, and let me put my put. Amazing. Okay. VWAP bounce. VWAP bounce. All right, let's try it. I'm just going with the strategy. I'm just going with the strategy.
oh, still got a couple minutes. Hold firm.
13.
Hey, good morning, everybody out there. I know Eddie's ignoring you. I'm not going to ignore you. I see we got 2 people watching, 3 people watching on Watch Eddie Lose Money. He's losing
Oh,
money.
Randy, yeah, I'm not giving up. I'm not giving up the ride sharing. This is where ride sharing is taking me to, though. This is like one of those things that I wanted to do.
How come I don't see
So,
Randy's comments? I don't see Randy's comments. What the fuck?
you know,
I don't see Randy's comments. Why is his comment not locking into the chat, bro? What's going on here, man?
but it is. It's right there.
No, no. I see Ron with the ride share culture. Good morning, sir. I see Ron. I don't see Randy. Y'all got me blocked out. You got me locked out.
How do I have you locked out? How do I get you
I don't know,
unlocked?
bro. You started the show without me.
Okay.
Like I'm
And then,
really upset.
the past couple of times you're already in here. You were already in here.
Well, you
Okay,
kept
where
saying
am I?
you were close, and I didn't want to interfere
Let's do
with your
this.
girlfriend and her husband. Anyway,
Okay. I'm doing it. I'm following my strategy, which is going to be the bounce off of the VWAP, the 200. Okay, and I'm currently in one contract, 399 SPY. Let's see where it goes when it gets to 399. I think I'm gonna sell it like right there if it starts getting up there.
well, I'm in 3 SPY contracts, 401. I'm in at 33 cents a piece. I might have
Damn,
jumped
33
in.
cents.
Yeah, well, 401 they were cheap, dude. So let's see what happens. Still really don't have a lot of volume. I mean, volume sucks. Volume is terrible. So I didn't want to get into anything bigger. I wanted to keep it manageable.
So let's
I'd
see.
rather try to when volume's low like this for me, I'd rather just try to hit the quick home run and
I'm just trying to see what it does above the VWAP because I'm just going with it every single time. And if I look at my, it's been every single time because it's either stay above the 200 and it'll follow the VWAP and it'll just keep, just continue in its direction. Kind of like when I was looking at the SPX at that 4,000 level, and it was just rejecting.
Right.
But I don't know. It's every time it was just let's see what happens. I'm expecting it to be anyway. Either way, my stop is right here, 398. 398. If it doesn't fall through, I'll just sell it. Buy the ask, sell the bid. Buy the ask, sell the bid.
You are learning, sir. By the way, your Rumble is not connecting for some reason.
God, see?
Your two YouTube channels, Watch Me Lose Money and Driving in Style, are connected,
See,
and
it says
and
unable to connect.
that's what it says. Yeah. Yep. Yep.
And
Yep.
given
Yep.
that I'm actually paying for the Rumble,
Yep. Well, you suck. What can I tell you? You suck. What can I tell you? I should bring Omar in the channel, but I don't know. Omar's being a bit of a poopy pants this morning. He's not a morning person.
I'm a morning person. As long as I'm like making money, there was there was a big surge going on this morning, and I was like, oh, I'm just gonna take one, and I took one, and it was on my way home. So I was like, yes.
Okay. I'm also keeping
So hold on,
that's
my channel, see, not custom URL. Okay, edit. Don't tell me I have to always take my channel and
the hell's going on here? How'd that get so out of whack? Woo! I'm so glad I got out of Lyft. Got my last shares out last week, man. So happy.
there it goes. There it goes. Come on, break
Oh,
that 399 level. I'll get close to it.
come on, baby. Daddy needs new shoes. No, that's gambling. That's a gambling reference. I shouldn't do that.
But yeah, so how I'm doing this is who's watching?
Uh-huh.
Oh,
You got 5 people watching,
yeah.
bro.
Hey,
These are these
Listen, Randy. Man, I don't want to quit ride sharing, but dude, I can't do that forever. I gotta find a way out. You know, um, it's just you know driving around all day. I like it, but damn it, it's already coming down.
it's just bouncing right now. That's all. We're getting ready to hit VWAP, see if it bounces off VWAP. It's gonna squeeze here. The more it gets closer to this upper trend line, this overall down trend line we got going here. What happened to your down trend line? Where'd it go?
Hold on.
What'd you do? Oh my God, this
You
guy.
talking about that one?
Here he is. Yeah. Why isn't it showing up on your smaller time frame?
I don't know. I don't know. Maybe. Oh, it is. It is.
Okay, that line is huge, dude. That trend line is huge.
See that? So I'm like,
All
I'm
right.
kind of like in the zone where I marked it.
Right.
It looks better on the
We got to
like
get
it
you
looks.
trading view, bro. But I get what you're doing here.
Yeah. It's
See, I'm
just the
bouncing. These
zone.
contracts are just bouncing. I'm bouncing up $3, down $3, up $3, down $3. A lot of consolidation here, brother. A lot of consolidation. Let me see if there's something else going on today I don't know about. What's on the calendar? Oh, U.S. stock struggle early Tuesday as investors weigh latest bank earnings. Yeah, the banks are getting. The banks were supposed to make money with the interest rates increasing, but we're finding out they ain't shit either, bro. Banks ain't shit either. What? No, I didn't ask for all that. The hell, dude. Where's my
Let me
calendar?
see if.
There it is. That's what I wanted.
But
Tuesday.
yep.
Nothing. Just the Empire State Manufacturing Index today.
Yeah, Richie, man. I'm trying to do the same thing too. I'm learning. I'm learning, Richie, but
See, I
just
see Richie
just
Hustles.
want
I
out.
see him this morning. I see him in the chat, bro. Why don't I see Randy in the chat, bro? You got me froze out. Either that or Randy blocked me. Which is it?
Let me see. Yeah, but see, but Richie's coming through my channel.
I understand that. But
Right, he's
is
coming through my
Randy
channel.
Randy for some reason I don't see Randy. So I think you guys got something personal going on there. I don't know. Maybe that's why you were late this morning.
Maybe, maybe.
Yeah, everything's just it's just steady
Oh,
right
come
now.
on.
Everything's just in the mix.
Playing the strategy. I'm playing the strategy. VWAP bounce. See this, Richie? See this, Richie? If you're watching, it came up, it came down, it touches. Now I'm um, the probability is that it's gonna go to the upside. But let's see, because for some reason I like it, but I don't like it. But let's see, because for some reason I like it.
Oh, there's
Let's see.
Randy.
Maybe there's a delay on
Now,
mine.
no, now the only reason I see Randy, I went ahead and opened up your Watch Me Lose Money on Driving in Style channel. I gave you a like. I'm the only one who smashed that like button.
Oh
Smash
yeah,
that
guys.
like button. Smash that like button. Come on, y'all. I
Yeah,
smashed it. I was the
Christopher,
first
man.
one. How
Hey,
the hell is that
Well,
possible?
Christopher, that's what I encourage everybody else to do, I mean, not necessarily trading, but it's just one of my things. Always wanted to do it. Always wanted to do it. And I'm playing the most stupidest strategy out there. Well, I thought it was the most, let
Bro,
it
why do you
move.
say it's a strategy?
Well, it's simple. A simple
Exactly.
strategy.
Keep it simple.
The
People try to
KISS. Key ISS. Keep it simple, stupid.
and you
All
fit
right,
all of the
and
above.
there it goes.
I'm cracking on you this morning. I don't know why I'm cracking on you this morning.
I don't know, but I don't care. Just as long
I don't
as,
know. All right.
just
See, we're riding.
you
We're
don't have to be up.
this
There it goes.
is where you yep.
Man, see,
This is
now I
where I
wish I
tell you
had a
to go.
stop. I could put a stop.
All right.
Okay. Buy the ask,
Ping, ping,
sell the
ping,
bid.
ping, ping.
Buy the ask, sell the bid. Boof! I'm selling the bid. I'm selling the bid. I'm selling the bid. I'm selling the bid. Sell, sell, you little sucker. Yes.
I'm still holding. I'm still holding. I'm gonna
Yes.
get one out here in a minute though. I'm gonna get one out here in a minute.
All right.
Where's it at? 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 I want to get one out here.
I'm still I'm still technically down on my account. I'm 930.
Oh no, I got you beat to death.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm going to place one of these options to sell out at 40, and bim. So I got a sell order in there at 40. Hold the other two and see where we go with it.
Okay.
Because that big time down trend line is huge. It's going to come into play. But we have what was yesterday or Friday's high of day was
390
399.10.
399.10. That's where I
Right.
have it. Now,
Right.
if it breaks above it, it might do like a little pop as always, but
Mhm.
you know, uh,
All right, one contract out at 40.
you know, but great.
That's
I'm
one
I'm
contract
out
out at 40.
because it keeps hitting, it keeps coming back down, and it did it twice on me, and I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna hold off on it. I mean, I'm just gonna sell and take my profit on it. See,
That's
on the
right.
1 minute, though, 399 hit it dead on.
Richie Hustles. We trade on Webull. On Webull. If you go into Eddie's profile, you can see his link. If he's got his link up into Webull. If he doesn't, let me know. I'll send you mine. But Eddie should have a Webull link in his description.
Yeah, there is a Webull link. Should be a Webull link in there.
All right, so now we got a little rejection going on here, all the way back down to
Yep,
VWAP.
at 399.10 VWAP. Let's see what happens.
Hell, I probably
And I
could have
have to
took
do
all three
and I
hours
have
out
to
of.
do my trades at this time. At this time between the market opens, it's like early in the morning, like the first hour, and then that's it. I can't trade no more.
Yeah, well, you know what though? But that's the whole thing. The first hour, hour and a half, that's the busiest time for the markets. The first hour, that extra half hour running to 11, it could be decent, but stick to your time frames. Stick to the time frames you're trading. That way, you can still do the other things you need to do.
Yeah, but this is it. See, it took off following my rules. I let it take off in one direction. Okay, I wait for it to come above the VWAP, cross the VWAP, right? I wait for my 9 EMA to cross. Boom, it touched the VWAP, and I bought it. I bought it over here, and then this little red candle right here, man, was making me nervous, really nervous. But I was like, you
That's
know
what
what?
I'm
Let me
saying.
hold on. I have to hold on, and I was making my stop all the way down here.
Oh, big green buys, a lot of buys, a lot of buys, a lot of buys on the spy. Reading the tape, time and sales.
Where are you? Oh yeah, yeah.
Still holding two contracts.
On the call side,
Yeah, I'm still holding those 401 calls. Sold one out, made a few bucks on that, and we'll see what's going on. Man,
see
today,
how?
bro, I wanted to live trade. I was ready to fucking. I was. Oops, sorry for the language. I was ready to start swinging, man. Today was a swinging day. Tesla's got a nice bump. It got a nice bump off the open, retraced. So if you would have played the opening range, um, opening bound, range bound, you'd have made a nice piece of change. Let it retrace. It came back down, and now she's riding out again. She's looking to hit
I'm
that
gonna try this.
129.75.
I'm gonna try this. I just bought another call. I mean, a call again. By the ask. Sell the bid. Sell the bid. Come on. I just bought another call. I'm expecting it to go to the upside again because it looks like it's bouncing again off the VWAP.
I'm gonna set another one to sell at 40. This way, I'll wind up playing with house money if we can get back up to
Where
40 again.
I want to see my percentage.
That's the way to play, homie. Play the percentages, not the dollars. You can make 3 to 5% a day on your money that you put at risk. That's considered successful. This Tesla's looking juicy right now, though. God dang.
Don't close. There we go. There we go.
Oh, let's see what these Tesla contracts look like. Woo! Big time money, man. Tesla's up 5% this morning. Oh, I don't
Sell
know,
the bid.
Eddie.
See, I
I
don't know.
don't know.
I'm doing my call. Oh, there it goes. Holy dookies. Is it gonna
Yeah,
pop? It popped. It popped.
it did. Second
Okay.
contract out at 40, holding one contract.
I'm gonna sell my bid. Yes. Another profitable. I should have held on, but that's only if I have two options. I would have sold one at the break, and then I would have held the other one break even if it continued. So, all right, great. Another profitable one.
This is so huge
Oh,
right
look at
here.
the volume. Look at the volume on the 2 minute.
I'm taking
It
this one
could
out.
continue.
This last contract, I want it out. I want out of this. We're hitting up against that trend line there, that big down trend line. So this should sell here in a minute. Yep, sold out. All three contracts out. That's
You have
Jesus.
it that low?
Percent. What's that percentage out? Yeah, because I'm playing percentages today. Let's see.
See, it's there for me.
What's that? 7. So about 22% today is what I made on what I invested. I made 22% of my money today. Now I'm looking at Tesla. Tesla, I'm waiting on Tesla now for this 129.75, shifting my focus to a bigger type of contract. I could have held those contracts. They hit
No.
50. Can't worry about it. Done with that.
Tesla. Oh wow, Tesla's really taking off too. It's doing the whole off the
Yeah,
9
Tesla's
EMA.
looking at contracts now.
The 9 EMA he would have been a good purchase right here.
So I'm going to pop up on these Tesla contracts.
Etsy. What was the other one?
Wants me to go
Google.
Etsy.
Wow, Google is $90. Holy.
What the hell, man?
Oh wow. Google is really down there. I never even looked at it. It's gonna hit the 200 and maybe bounce off or no? Nope,
There we
it's
go.
still the 2 minute.
That's what I'm looking for right there. Where's my time frames? I need that 30-minute time frame.
Oh,
Uh,
Spice just keeps going up. 399.86. I have a funny feeling that it's gonna hit this 400 and then boom, tank.
yep, that wouldn't be a bad way to play it either.
Uh-huh. Okay, so here I go. I have my put 399 put, making money on the downside, and let's see if it works just fine. Hold on, let me see where SPX is. SPX is at the 4,000 level. Yes, it is, but it broke above the 4,000 level. It's above it actually. It broke above it. So the SPX, so the
Volume
SPY
is still
follows
pretty
the
low.
SPX.
Yeah, but the volume is still pretty low. I'm looking at 398 contracts. I'm gonna stay in SPY with you. Tesla, I could have made $50 a contract already. God damn it. And then
Okay,
we're
let's see
gonna
how
look
it goes.
at
Hit 400.09.
wow. Okay.
I don't know. I'm a little nervous.
Why are you
I'm a little
nervous?
nervous
Not your money. What are you talking about?
because I
Do I
actually
want to
did
go
pretty good.
398 or do I want to go 397? Let's go 398 contracts. Where's my bid and ask at?
Volume is dying. On the 2 minute, it's coming down. See, could do the 1 minute. Oh, there it goes.
Patience, my brother. Patience.
My candle over candle. I mean, candle under candle. Oof. I don't know. You know what? I'm not doing it. You can kiss my behind. I'm not doing it. You know why I'm not doing it?
Why?
Because I think I'm going with the hope that it goes in that direction, not with the probability that it's going to go. See, here was a good probability that I was going to take off because it's called the VWAP bounce for a reason. It hit the VWAP and then it came back up. I made money on it. And then it came back down to the VWAP. It stayed right above it. Hold on the 2 minute. It stayed right above it. And I'm going with the trend. With my, let's just assume I would have bought an option. What I was thinking right now, with it wanting to go right back down. money on it. Because technically, look, it's overbought. It's overbought. And the last time I traded the SPY, it was doing exactly the same thing. It was overbought, but it still kept going in the up direction. It just kept going up. It just kept going up. $500 a day keeps the job away. Where's my account? Tesla, SPY. Oh, American Airlines was another one that I wanted to keep an eye on because the options on American Airlines is pretty cheap, as I hear. And by the way, American Airlines to buy and hold for the long term. Ooh. All the airlines.
Sorry, got distracted. Look at Tesla bust through. Oh, I knew I should have. God darn it, Eddie. It's your fault.
All right, all right. Anyway, let's go back to SPY. All right, VWAP bounce. And by the way, how did I get the VWAP bounce? I was watching some kid, and he's like, VWAP bounce. He's like, I just wait for the 90 EMA to cross over the VWAP, okay, and then I take it up with the trend. And then he added this line, the 200. So instead of looking the overall market, what he does is he looks at the 200 EMA, he marks his supports and resistance, and then from there he goes, okay, so if the 200 is under, then that means that the market has got more upside potential.
Not a bad
And then
philosophy.
there it goes. Um,
Tesla's up $7.66, 6.25% today, and I sat here and just watched it. Hey, vey.
I don't know. I'm
All right.
not. That's it. You know what? I'm done. I'm done.
You made
I'm
your
gonna,
profit today? You done?
I'm gonna shut my mouth off. I'm not touching nothing. I'm not touching nothing. Okay.
Why do you say
I don't
that,
want.
my brother?
I don't want you because it gets tempting. It gets really tempting to just continue playing because then, now right now, I was assuming that the market was gonna keep going down, right? Then I'd be down.
But but you have to take what the market gives you.
Correct.
You
But the
so you have
overall,
your profit.
the strategy tells me that the market overall is going, um, it's in an uptrend, right?
In the morning, right now,
Oh, wait,
it's
hold on,
kind of in
damn
an
it.
uptrend. Nothing what
Correct.
I wouldn't call it anything major.
I'm just talking about like in a temporary, like buy now, sell like later. I'm sorry, like buy now, like sell now type of, like really short
Yeah,
trade.
yeah,
Scalping, right? Is that scalping?
yeah, scalping, yeah.
Scalping. And I made my
It's not
money and then that's it. And then that's it.
okay.
See
Then
that?
call it a
So
day.
so I called it that I would have made money on a put option and I would have got in and look. Made money if the market kept going down and it didn't. Now it's going right back up. So you
Well,
know
it
what?
never closed. That second, listen, that second red candle didn't
I'm not
even close
touching
below.
you. I'm not
Oh
touching
my
you.
god.
See that? And then
Um,
what's gonna happen? Watch when it hits the 400.09.
so
It's gonna collapse.
what's your
Pop.
percentage today? What's your percentage today? Your profit percentage. That's what you need to look at. What's your percentage? Let's go. What's your percentage? Damn
Hold
it.
on, senors. Hold
No,
on,
I ain't got no patience
senors.
this morning. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Uh, General.
Damn, these
No,
398 put calls or strike puts are still
paper
holding.
trading. Paper account. Okay, here we go. Account.
I'm 22% today. Where you at, brother? Come on, chop chop. Let's go. You
How do
can
I,
be
how,
quick.
how do I get my percentage?
Well, you can do simple math.
Well, it's I'm
Take
$51 up.
Okay.
Um,
What'd you have? One contract?
no, it was two calls. 399.
What did it cost you?
227. One was like 227 and three something. So three like five 550,
You invested $550,
and I'm at 50
right?
bucks.
And you got $50 back. $550 and you got $50 back. That's close to 10%. That's a good day.
Orders. What would it be? No, no, that's not it either.
And for all our rideshare peoples out here, you've been trading now 45 minutes, right? So you made $50 in 45 minutes. That's the
So then,
equivalent of a 25-mile ride, right?
and then, yep. And then the idea behind that is that okay, it's $51, right? Which is only 10%. But let's say I invested
10%.
1,000, you know, then that's $100. So now if I want to make, let's say, $500 in a day, you know, then I would have had to invest, what was that, like, what is that, like 10? No,
Say again.
no. I would have had to invested 5 grand. I would have made my $500 for the day. So let's say 50-50. I would have lost 500 and all won 500. As long as I could do that, 70% of the time, I'm still going to be up.
Well, you wouldn't have won 500. You got to use proper terms. You got to put yourself in the right frame of mind. You don't win $500. It's not a game. You would
So
have
what do
made
you?
profit at 500.
I would have made profit. I would have made
Thank you.
profit. They catch my
And
drift.
your stop loss would have had you at 10% of your investment. So the most you would have lost is 50.
So
You follow
correct.
me? So you could have profited. I find it, and call me nuts, call me crazy. I find it when you use proper terminology when approaching anything. If you use the right terminology, it changes the mindset.
So,
Big dump on
oh,
Tesla. Tesla's rolling.
so now
This
let's
could
see
be
what's gonna
breaking out of
happen
the parallel.
now.
Tesla's breaking out of the parallel channel. Still, dude, we are super low volume on SPY, man. Super low volume. Super low volume. Tesla's
Oh
moving, bro. You
yeah,
can
I
always
see.
count on Tesla. You can
I'm
always count on
assuming.
Tesla for volume. Always. It's like the biggest
What's
casino,
going on with Tesla?
stock out there.
Also, Tesla's coming out of oversold
Yes.
on the
It's breaking
daily.
out of the it's breaking out of the parallel channel too. That's why I tell you, parallel channels are huge, man. You see an uptrend or a downtrend on a stock, you want to put it
How
in a
do I get rid
parallel.
of these bubbles?
Hold on, wait a minute. I'll tell you right now. Okay, so you see the upper left-hand corner where you got all your numbers and
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
your indicator. Just go in there
Technical
and
on that.
there's one. Yeah, just
This
go
one.
in there and you should be able to hide it. Yeah, technical signals. Get rid of that.
And again, I just wanted to do a simple
It's simple.
strategy.
It's
And
simple.
VWAP was the only one, but then that's it. But I can only catch it right here in the morning. So if the 200 is under, then I'm taking it to the up. So if my candles are above it, then I'm taking it to the upside, making money on the way up. If my candles are under it, I'm taking it to the downside, but I have to wait until the stock takes off in one direction and bounces right off. So the odds are that it's going to continue in that direction. And see that? Okay, I want to trade. No, no.
Dude, you're acting like the little old lady at the slot machine.
Yeah, yeah. Dude, and now look at that. It's flagging.
Hey, get your hand off your mouse, old lady.
Okay, hold on. I'm shutting it off. I'm shutting it off. I'm not doing nothing.
All right, so
And
we got a pullback. We got a pullback on Tesla. I should bring it up on the
there's
screen
a
for you.
flag. There's a flag on SPY, so it's either gonna break to the upside to the downside, but I have a funny feeling it's gonna break to the downside because it's at that 400.09 resistance level.
Exactly. Now you're thinking.
Okay,
Not only is
and
it not, wait. Not only is 400 a psychological resistance,
it's a break-even
it's
point.
also smacking the overall downtrend,
Yeah.
the macro downtrend.
Wait, I don't see. I don't see. How do you see the micro down? Damn it.
The macro downtrend, the big line, the big downtrend line.
See, but the
That one. That one. It's
it's like
smacking the hell out of it.
it's like right there.
It's
It's
treating
like
it
right
like a
there.
dancer at the club, man. It's like, no, 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 no. $100 isn't enough for a lap dance. I'm gonna
I'm
need
not.
more.
I'm not going to
It
the club.
ain't nobody got $100 for a lap dance.
Okay, but it gets really tempting.
Richie, hey, look,
Hey,
Joseph.
Joseph, get it right. Okay, it was two winning trades. Two, not one. Two.
Yeah, but he's right. You made 10%, gain more experience and leverage cash to have bigger position, and that 10%
Yeah,
mark will hit different. True, he's right. He's right. Leverage cash. Well, he's right. The bigger the account, the more you can
correct. The more
increase
you can
your.
make.
But as long as he's not talking about margin leverage, then I'm
Yeah,
with
no
you.
margin. No
No
margin.
margin. No
No
margin.
margin.
Not needed.
No margin.
Not needed.
And I just gotta do this consistently. That's why I stop ride sharing and I come and do this because I know there's money out there, but I don't know. I don't know. I just like we got to find ways to make to find more money.
Well, baby steps, my brother. Baby steps.
Yeah. Look,
Baby steps.
it's a surging right now. It was like surging like $11 today.
Did you get it? Did you catch it?
I got one of them. I was doing my whole little harvesting strategy. Um,
Not the
Let me
harvesting.
see. 10, 11. Yep. It was this morning, but I caught one, but then that was it. After I caught that I dropped the kid off, um, it was over. They were all gone.
Yeah, things are pretty slow. I talked to Jeff last night because I was getting on Jeff about some types of videos he needs to start making. And you too. And I asked you a question yesterday, Eddie. What's the name of your camera? Your
It's
good
a Canon 80D.
Canon ADD. I am this close. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. I am that close to buying a real camera.
Like mine?
Not no, I ain't buying what you got. I'm looking at the Sony ZVE10. It's an
Sony.
$800 camera.
Oh, I don't
It's
know which one you're talking about.
Yeah, it's a $800 camera. Comes with a kit lens, but I've been watching a lot of reviews on that kit lens, and
Yeah,
everybody's
its
like,
screen slides up. I think
"Yeah,
the
the
screen in
screen
the back
rotates."
slides like up.
No,
Yeah,
no,
okay.
it flips out and rotates. It flips out and rotates. Doesn't
Just like
slide up.
mine.
That's the no. Your screen flips out. It flips out and
Yeah,
rotates,
yeah, flips out to
or
the
does it
side,
flip
and
up?
then I can rotate it. Oh no, it
Yeah, yeah,
doesn't
yeah,
flip up.
yeah. Right.
Mine goes
That's
to
what
the
this one does.
side. Yeah, I like the one that actually flips up because right now, if I look at my camera, but I'm looking at myself, I'm looking to the side. The other one, it's up high. So my wire that I connect to my laptop, it's right in the
Yeah,
middle of the little screen. So it's
gotcha.
you know,
Hey, close your widget out. Close your widget out.
what was I trying to put in there?
Nothing. I think that's when you were looking for your percentage.
Oh, I was trying to save it. That's what I was trying to do.
So
See,
Richie says he
save.
has a Sony. Richie, what Sony do you have, brother? Which one do you have? And Joseph's like, "Yo, two winning trades. That's awesome. Don't
Yeah,
worry, Joe." Eddie was bug. I bugged Eddie this morning. Are we trading? He was like, "Yeah, but I'm on my way." And then he's in the stream and trading, and doesn't tell me, "Hey, I'm here." So
because
I come in. So I hear you, bro.
you're usually in the stream, so we both have access to the same account to the restream. So usually, if he's doing his stream, I just jump right in. I don't even need an invite anymore.
Yeah, but I'm not
But
streaming.
I guess Vinny wants to be super special. Like, yeah, just you have to
Bro,
invite
really,
me so I feel
really,
special.
really.
Okay?
Okay, all right,
You
I got
you
you.
you are privileged. You're not special. You are privileged. You sh-
Whoa!
you should be in there already.
He
You're
says
like,
I am privileged. I am privileged. Oh, see, Richie's got the camera I want. He's got the EV10.
oh, Richard, you
Richie,
don't
are
use it.
you?
Give it
What you mean? Whoa. Go ahead. Finish that statement.
Sony EV10. Oh,
Yeah,
there you
that's the
go.
one.
He
That's
wants the 69. Sell the Sony EV to Vinny. You don't need it. By the way,
oh,
I almost did it. I almost bought a because I know a couple of the guys that follow me do their own videos and stuff. They want to know what kind of camera, and I almost bought one to give away, but
Homeboy
I don't
says
know.
it only streams in 720p. I really don't want it for a webcam. I've got a good webcam. I've got the what's up, Wes? How we doing today, buddy? Um, I've got the Elgato 1080 4K. It's a 1080p cam. I'm really happy with it. It's 10K. On webcam. I don't need to see my ugly face that good. But I was thinking about just getting it for right, exactly. It'll record in 1080 and 4K, but when you stream, it only puts out 720. Right. That's one of the now. That's not the main reason, but that's one of the reasons why I haven't jumped on it. I was so close yesterday. I was that close yesterday. That close. I was Eddie's
Well,
size yesterday to buying that camera.
you can
And then
technically
I
purchase
pull
it
up
for
to this
free,
one.
right?
Huh?
You just walk to the upside. You can technically purchase it for free.
How am I going to purchase it?
Well, you got your YouTube income, right?
It ain't goddamn hitting $800. Shit.
No, but you can get a
It ain't
payment plan.
$800. Wait a minute now. Wait a minute now. You want to talk a little business? All right. It's $50 a month to for the restream. Okay.
Uh-huh.
My YouTube revenue right now is averaging $150 a month.
Yeah,
That's
but
it.
that's just the revenue. That's not the other stuff. The
What other stuff,
affiliates,
bro? I
the
see. I
affiliates
haven't
that
gotten
we
into
have.
the affiliates. And by the way, I'm going to see my shirt guy today, my local shirt guy, because I got to
Uh-huh.
get. I want to see if before I use for that store, before I use Printful for my
Yeah,
shirts,
yeah.
if I can get him to make the shirts, overall cost is going to be so much cheaper. And then mailing them right
Okay.
through I could well because he's 5 blocks from me. So I can send the orders to him. He can print them up. I can go pick them up, drop them in the little plastic bags, and ship them out. It's going to be
Yeah.
cheaper for everybody, that wants to that
We
might
got to
want to
find
purchase
out how cheaper it
the
is
garage.
because see, that's the
Oh, I
thing.
already
For
know how
me, it
cheap
was
it is.
just
I already know how cheap it is.
the time consuming, the time
I can
consumption.
save. Listen, I can save anybody who wants to buy a shirt, any of the shirts that we put out. I can save them $10 off printable, and shipping's only like $3. So the garage still makes a couple pennies. Overall cost is cheaper. Overall shipping is cheaper, and overall cost to whomever might want to be a rideshare garage shirt owner, it'll be cheaper. And it's sublimation, so the shirts are better. Uh, let's see. Wes, buying. He's doing well. Buying items to ship from my Walmart store, charging up Tesla before I hit my 12 hours. You get 12 hours. Oh, bro, huh?
Why?
Eddie, what's he talking about there?
Hold on. Good buying items for ship for my Walmart store. Wes, are you doing what Richie does? You know, I'm
And then
assuming he's talking about the 12 hours of work.
yeah, it's 12-hour shift. Yeah.
Yeah.
Man, Spy still going a little bit there?
Yeah, it's still
Nah.
going. Look, and it's over. So overboard. Over the RSI is it's up there. So it's basically saying that it's going to come down, but it's not doing it. I just got a funny feeling it's just gonna dunk, and that's what I'm watching right now before I basically end the live. I made my two trades. I made profit on it. You know, VWAP bounce, going with the trend. 200 is under. It blew right through my 200. Oh my God, my VWAP and my 9 EMA, which is the green. All right, it came down, touched it. I bought. I sold this, and then it came back down again. It hit the VWAP. All right, it took off, and then I sold again.
So I put
Yeah.
up the Tesla screen. I put up the Tesla chart. This is on the 2-minute chart. There's that green parallel channel run up this morning,
Uh
and
huh.
you can see the Fibonacci retracement here. It retraced, didn't quite get to the 50% retracement, and it's just sitting in this little zone here. So let's see what it does. Spy is about to make its way back down here. Let's go,
Yeah.
Spy. Let's see. Let's throw up a parallel channel on Spy real
And
quick.
by the way, I started with a $1,000 account before, and I brought it down to like I think it was like 300 or something like that.
Right?
And that was because I couldn't figure out the I wasn't following my own rules. But I didn't notice that I was following my own rules until I kept going back and watching what I was doing wrong.
Right.
And I noticed that after I made my profits, I will go ahead and continue trading. So I was over trading, and the over trading was what really killed me.
Yeah, bro. Well, Joseph's right. Listen, you hit your number for the day, and you call it a day.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? You hit your number for the day, and you call it for the day. And there's
But
nothing
the
wrong with
problem, but the problem is that I don't know. I've never experienced over trading, so I don't know. I gotta keep doing it, making the mistake over and over again until freaking like you come from behind me and be like, cut it out, hit me in the back of the head,
it. Okay, so
right?
here's a new rule for you. Here's a new rule for you. You ready? You ready?
It's not your fault.
No, it's always going to be your fault. No more, no more than 3 trades a day. Period. End of discussion.
But
That's your
that's what I
limit.
did.
No, you did 2 trades. You said. Did you sneak one
No,
in on us and we didn't
the
know about it?
last time I traded, I think I did 3 trades, and I think I waited too long in the market for me to trade. So it looks like I did the FOMO. It's like, oh, I missed out on opportunities. So then I tried to trade, thinking I was gonna miss it
Uh-huh,
again, and ended up
uh-huh.
being, and I did my three, and then I was done. I was like, you know what, I'm done.
That's it. 3 trades a day. Slap the ass, sell the bid. That's it. Scalping 101. 3 trades a day. Buy the ass, sell the bid, make your percentage, get in, get done, get out, and then get your hind parts back out on the road and start slaving again for Uber and Lyft. That's it.
And I'm funding my account, so I got money going into both Webull and TD Ameritrade. But
See what Richie said it, bro. There it is. Read Richie's comment. I need you to read Richie's comment out loud. Read his comment.
yeah, no, I know it's yeah, yeah. I went
No,
to
no,
the
no,
same
no.
thing.
Read it. Read it. Read it. Read it.
Hold on, yeah, I went to. Okay, hold on. Let me post it up here too.
You
Yeah,
need
I
to
went
read
to
Rich.
a super greedy, made a lot of money, lost it all. Yeah, But see, that's the thing. I don't know the feeling of the greed. I don't know. I don't know the feeling of the greed. I don't know if I'm holding my trade too long. I'm not. I don't know the feeling of not not taking my profits. When I should. So I don't know that feeling. And look at this freaking tanking. Yeah.
Look at the chart.
Um.
You're setting up for a double for a head and shoulders here. We want to see what he wants to do when he gets to this level right here. I want to see if
Hold
it's
on.
going
Where
to
are you?
bounce back
Oh,
up one
okay.
more
Okay.
time.
I see.
Look at the chart. Listen, Richie said it. Richie said it. Make your money. Okay. Look, 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 look. If you make profit today, you live to trade another day.
Yeah.
And Wes is right. He's right. You number one rule of trading is you got to. It's not emotional. It's math. It's simple numbers. Don't get emotional. If you're emotional, you're going to be the old lady at
But
the slot machine.
not experiencing it it's what
Yes,
is
I
what
agree.
gets me.
I
So
agree.
like
It beats
FOMO,
everybody. Yeah.
FOMO, over trading, not putting my lines where they're supposed to be, like, so I have to make the mistakes, but like, oh, okay, so this is how I noticed. I kept going. I mean, every day I would go back to my charts. I was like, damn it, the stock went in the direction that I was saying was predicting, but what I do, I was like, you know what? I didn't trade at the time that I was supposed to trade. I didn't trade it when it did what it was supposed to do, okay? And then I traded later on in the day, assuming that I was going to miss out on the opportunity. But for me to figure those
Yes.
things out, I had to make the mistake in a paper account. You know how much money I would have lost already? I would have lost like 2 grand in of real money if I would have used real money.
Yeah, you would have had to do Uber pool.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm just letting you know. Um, I just took a 398 put a one contract though. One contract. I want to see because it broke below the it broke below the 50% retracement. So now I'm looking to see it run to here. Let me pull it up on the chart. I'm
Wait,
looking
hold
to see
on.
if it gets down back down to the 78% here.
So from the point that it started, right? So I'm okay. So you're not doing, no, I'm not doing the parallel. I need the fib. The fib. Here's the fib. I'm gonna do the fib right here. Hold on. I'm gonna do the fib from right
Stop
there
loss is in.
to
Stop
right.
loss is in.
Damn it. Where's my fib? So now we need the low before it took off, right? Down to the top. Ah, that's right. I don't get a percentage sign on this thing on the paper trading.
Simple math, though. Simple math.
Okay. I'm assuming that 399.44 is the, hold on. No, 399.23 is the 50% or
Say again.
399.44. What's your
Three
50%
ninety eight
at?
eighty six. 398.86.
Would you put your favorite? Oh, you did from today, from the where we went down to today.
You always go from the start of the last leg in the micro, in the small time frame. You always go from the start of the last leg. So the last leg up was right here.
Oh, so it's right here. Yeah,
Here, I'll
the
show
red
you. Hold on.
candle there.
No, right here. Look,
Oh, from
that was
that
the
red,
last. That
from the
was
green one.
well, that was the start of the
Before.
last leg.
Okay, and now 39.29 is the 50.
39,
Awesome.
399.36 was the 50.
Okay, all right. So I'm about right. And now this will be a breakdown if it stays under it, the 50%.
Yes. That's I'm playing the odds. I got a stop loss in. So I'm in at 52 cents. I'm willing to lose 5 cents on it, $5 on the trade. And
Eh, a
and we'll
put.
see what happens here. Yeah, I got a 398 put. Just one though. You don't do this. Your mouse is turned
No,
off. You're done
no,
trading for the day.
that's it. I'm done. I'm shutting it off. I'm shutting it off.
That's right. We're
I'm not
already
doing
past your
nothing.
hour. We're already past your hour of trading. So let's get into some of these questions. Right. Randy's like, what time are you guys going out ride sharing? Eddie, you've already been out this morning, right? What kind of morning did you have?
Yeah, so it was a Dookie mornings as always. Um, so I did a lot of X rides, some lift, regular. Let me see how much did I make so far right now. Uh, $60. I made $60, and it was from 5 a.m. Until about what was that? Like 8. So usually I
Okay.
try to catch something. In the test, I was a little different because I didn't do this. So with the test, I just continue working, and usually I will go from 5, and for the next 6 hours, I should be making 150 plus. Then I know I was going to be having a good day. But again, with the Tesla, it was straight 12 hours. You know, the only time I would stop is either to charge or if I had to go to the bathroom, assuming I was not doing any deliveries. But
So I
now I can it balances out because I do get my luxury rides, so it balances out. But I have to take it till 9 p.m.
okay. So I have not been out this morning. I didn't have any scheduled rides. Didn't go out this morning. I got to go see my shirt guy. I'm waiting on him to get into the store so he can call me, and then I'll go deal with that. I got to shoot a video on the caddy today, so I got to go clean her up, and then we're gonna do our 100,000 mile video on my Cadillac XT6 in 2.5 years.
Ooh,
We're gonna do a full walkthrough on the caddy, and
I've
then
been
I'll
driving
start.
so much.
I'll go out. I'll go out tonight, this afternoon, maybe 5, 6 o'clock.
Damn, I saw it. All right, bathroom break. Bathroom break.
Like we needed to know he was going for a bathroom break. What the hell? All right, Joseph. Joseph. Let's see what it says. Taking no trades and holding cash is a position to 100%. If you are not confident, if you are not seeing your setups, you do not trade. 100% correct. Absolutely, my friend. You can learn a lot by still planning a trade setup and seeing if the market plays out. Absolutely. And then you can also go back and back test when you do make a trade and it loses. But we about to win. Here we go. Let's go. I'm looking to see the 78% retracement. Can we get there? I'm up 15% on this contract. Let's see what it's going to do. I am not going to put a. I should. You know what? Let's make this contract. Let's take this contract out at 75. Actually, you know what? You ain't even going to get that greedy. Let's put it at 70. We'll sell this one contract at 70, make 18 bucks off of it. All right, let's see if it gets there. Currently at 61 on this sell, but we're approaching that 78% retracement, which this is where a lot of times this is a great buy zone here. Just broke below
Okay.
VWAP.
Yep, to the downside. To the downside.
Hey
Yeah.
Eddie, you see what Wes is saying? Wes's
Yeah, I
grocery
saw
store is
what he
saying.
said. You
It's
got a
a lot
nice
better
little
than it's a
compliment
lot
there.
better than your buddy from New Jersey, huh?
Yeah.
Wes,
Yeah, you believe
I
it?
didn't have anybody. I didn't have anybody to really show me, bro.
He was,
So I appreciate
it
it.
was like,
Yes,
it was like
contracts out.
he was give me good advice. I was like, oh, you should take, you should learn new things so you can make more money, and other stuff, and expand your education to other places. And I was like, well, yeah, that's why I'm doing day trading. That's why I'm learning. Oh no, that's
Well,
just gambling. And I was like, but you just said that you needed to take my educate myself on other things. It's like that's what it's just it's like when Harry Potter
look
gets
at
the
that big
headache.
dump. Look at that big dump,
Oh
Eddie.
my God, look at this. See?
And I'm out already. I set my sell. I took my profit at shit. That was got to be more than that. That got to be 20% at least. At least might have been more than that. I was in at 52 and out at 70. So 52. That might have been more like 30. What the fuck? Yeah, that was like about a 33% gain on that contract. Small money too.
Nice.
I could play.
I,
I could have bought 10 contracts there.
yeah.
Made 180 bucks. Put $500 at risk.
See, and I
520.
just I want to get that feeling of assurance. Like I know that the odds are that it's gonna go.
It's there. The odds exactly. The
Yeah, like the
probability.
odds are gonna go.
Trading.
That the probability is just gonna go. It's like why? Because look, it's doing this, it's doing this, it's doing this, and then that's it. It's done. See, and then I would have sold. Let's say if I was whatever, if I would have made a good call and I would have stayed on my put, I would have sold right there the moment it hit the 200, and then just done.
So so I took that contract out at 70, right? In case they wanted to mess around. That contract's now worth $1.07. So I
So
don't
now,
care. I don't
what
care
did
that I gave
you
up the extra $37 in profit on that contract. I don't care about that.
what did you buy on the contract? In the money or out of the money?
Out of the money, bro. I never buy in the money contracts. Never.
And you buy it for the week, right?
No, it's a SPY contract. It's a daily contract.
Oh, just a daily contract. A 1 day or 0 days?
You know, 0 days, 0 day contract, same day
Oh,
contract. What do you think you're buying over there on SPY, bro? What are you buying? A day out, 2 days out?
no, no, no. I went through. I bought 3 days out,
Okay.
and it was in
I
the
don't do
money.
that. I do same day contracts. Same day contracts. The only thing you're fighting with a 0 day contract is time. So you got to
Yeah, that's
be
why.
committed and disciplined to make your buys and put your sells. But the volatility of the contract is ridiculous because right now that $52 contract is worth $118.
And you
But
bought a
I'm disciplined
70
enough
something.
to take my damn profit and get the hell out.
So
This is a game of discipline. It's chestnut checkers, brother.
see that? I bought money. It was 3 days out.
Woo! Tesla's
3 days
rolling.
out. Okay, we.
Yeah, but you're putting so much money at risk.
Yeah.
You're not dealing in this $10,000 account, $20,000 account. You're dealing in $1,000 account. Do you really want to put 25% of that money at risk on one trade?
Hey, hey. What is this? Delete, delete, delete this order. No, no
By the
damn
way, look
order.
at Tesla. Look at Tesla. So again, 78% retracement would be right here. It's already past the 50% retracement, which was right here. So it's in
Kiki,
a
oh,
zone.
there is Kiki. Kiki, we thought you were like something happened to
No,
you. What
no,
was wrong with her?
she finally texted me back yesterday. I'm just saying she texted me back. She's like,
Okay,
"I'm
you
sorry, I
do
thought."
know that I woke up this morning and I'm last night before I went to bed, and I was like, you know what? When I was looking for any if anything happened to any delivery drivers, and I wasn't finding anything.
Kiara, do you see this? You got people that care about you, woman.
Yeah.
Got people that care about you. But Eddie, did you shoot her a text and say, "Hey, you alive?"
No, well, I
No,
was
you
looking
got
at
to
the
do that.
chat. She didn't say anything.
No, no, no,
You
that's not an
know.
excuse. It takes 30 seconds to send a text message, bro. Okay, you ain't got no choice. You're the queen of the group, so we're always going to worry.
Yeah, of course. Of course.
Next time,
Definitely
send
some
a
good
text,
stuff.
Eddie. It's okay. She'd like to hear from you too.
Directly
Oh, look at that, Eddie.
on what?
Her ebook.
Oh, look on Tesla. Yeah, it's bouncing right off.
No, no, no,
It
no.
is a
Kiara has been working till 1, 2 o'clock in the morning every day for her ebook.
nice. Oh, wait, hold on. Yeah, I thought you finished it.
This guy, this guy, this guy.
Kiki's ebook. Yeah, by the way, I want to buy that book because I want to see if delivery is very good over here. You got some very
All right.
nice and wealthy people. Actually, I met one of them today, and she was like, "Hey, we get no ride shares over here because it's on the west side." And I was like, hey, "They make a lot of money. They make a lot of money." I'm talking about like,
How
you know,
far is it from where you live?
it's about like 10 minutes,
Wait
like
a minute. Wait a minute.
millions.
You're telling me. Wait a minute. You're telling me you're not willing to deadhead 10 minutes into a wealthy area
No, I do
to try
go
to
into
get
the
some
wealthy
rides?
area. Um, but for deliveries and stuff, they don't really call Ubers and stuff in that area because they have their own cars.
Uh huh.
And or they're private drivers or something like that. Um, but for deliveries, I don't know how to go about it. Besides, I don't want to take the truck like that. But Kiki does. That's why I tell Kiki, I was like, hey, you should come over here and I'll show you where the rich area is. I'll show you where all the mansions are. All right. Talking about, dude, it's like 5 million. You know, I think the little tiniest house just south of the city that was like 600,000, 800,000. They're like 1.2, 2.3, and there was a couple of them that were like 3 million. And not only that, they buy them at that price, they knock them down, and then they build an Airbnb. People got
Hey,
money to
Kiara, that
spend.
sounds like an invite to me. He didn't
Yeah,
invite me to
yeah. I
come work
told
the
them.
wealthy areas.
Well, Kiki is the one that knows how to do the whole
Bro,
the
bro.
delivery thing. You don't do deliveries.
No, I don't.
You don't do
Nope.
deliveries.
If I had that new Prius, I'd do deliveries.
And well, that's another thing too.
Or the Tesla. If I had a Tesla, I'd do deliveries in
Tesla.
a Model 3.
I did do deliveries in the Model 3. It was freaking. It was great. It was awesome. It worked
Eh,
out.
but they would probably kick me off the platform because every time I get a McDonald's or Burger King or Popeye's chicken order, I would say no, no, no.
Decline.
Especially Popeye's
Decline.
chicken, bro. Popeye's chicken and Chick-fil-A. Every single little restaurant you pass, okay? Every single restaurant you pass has got a line backed up out to the damn street. Ain't no way I'm sitting in those lines. Y'all got to be nuts. Kiera says my car's been in the shop for 4 days. They cracked my windshield somehow while working on my brakes. Huh?
Why?
How the hell you get a cracked windshield from working on the brakes?
Yeah.
You still in Jersey? Are you still up in Jersey, sweetie? That might explain it if you're in Jersey. Because your insurance pays or their insurance pays for the windshield and they get the labor charge out of it. Shade tree. Yep, she's still in Jersey. What I tell you, bro? She's getting hustled up there. They're like, oh, my
Is
dad
Jersey really
almost.
good? Is Jersey really good there, Kiara?
All right, so Eddie. So here's Spy again, right?
Uh
Let's
huh.
get into my parallel channel here. From the top, parallel channel right here, because we got a downtrend going, right? Change that to red. Boom. So now it's trying to break out of the downtrend. Let's see what it does. Because this, now we're going to get technical. This could be a little slight pullback, right? A little flag,
Uh
but it
huh. And
fails
then,
to get, it fails to break out. So you get a false breakout. And now let's see if
well,
it falls
it's
back.
bouncing right off today's open.
Is it? I didn't mark today's open. I didn't actually mark the open.
Today's open. Yeah, today's open was right there. It's bouncing right off of it.
Yeah. That's right. The blue line's in there.
And then you taught me that. You're not even doing it.
I did not do it today's open number. No, I went with
Okay.
pre-market high, pre-market low, and low of Friday is what I marked out. See, there's the pre-market, or there's just Friday's high, pre-market low, and then low of Friday. That's what I went with this morning.
There it goes. And I'll see if it breaks the 200.
This is how
See,
you
sometimes.
know to let your runners run.
Oh, and
This
on
is
the
how you
one
know.
minute, it's wow. Look at this. Okay, so this is going to the downside. Look at this. On the 1 minute, it's bouncing off the 200. The 2 minute is bouncing off of the resistance off of today's open. So it's got a good chance that it's just going to break down,
Mhm.
or the odds
Yep.
are,
Yep. Oh, look at you, up to 950. You almost back to your what you started with.
yeah. Stop
Good
looking
job,
now.
buddy. Good job.
It's not there. I just need to take that and turn it into two. Once it turns into two, then I can go into my real money.
Do you want to do that? You want to flip 1,000 into 2,000?
I just want to be consistent. That's all I want to do.
Okay. 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 Because I mean, we can flip that. We can flip that into 2 grand. What's today? Tuesday. By Thursday, we can have you up to 2 grand in that if you really want to get there.
You know. But people want to talk to me, and I am not interested. Oh, I just got tipped. Just got tipped on Uber. Hold
Jersey
on.
isn't as good compared to Georgia. Too many apartments, and I can't take long distance rides outside of the county because of tolls and the rides taking me to
Oh
the hood.
yeah,
I have to
yeah,
drive 30 minutes to get to upstate New York. Yeah, that's not good. That's not good.
yeah. I hope you try Austin. I hope you really do try Austin. Um, the tech
Hey,
companies that
Tiara,
are just moving here.
and he's got an extra bedroom. You guys can be
I
roommates.
literally do have an extra bedroom, and I could use um help with the rent. I mean, not really, but yeah.
Damn, you're inviting her. That's why you want her there. You're just trying to use it for the rent.
Well, you prefer I let her sleep in the car
No,
when I have a
bro.
spare bedroom?
She's a guest.
Yeah, yeah.
She says she wants to try Nashville this year.
Nashville.
Yep. All right, Eddie. Eddie, it's 10:54. It's time to cut it loose. I am shutting my account off. See this?
Okay,
Watch.
that is
Watch.
it.
You can't
That is
you
it.
can't
All
see.
right, no more. Made my
Hold on.
money off
Wait,
the
wait, wait,
bounce.
wait, wait, wait. Wait, 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 wait. I want to show you. Hold on. I'm going to show you. I'm turning off my screen. Hold on. Okay.
Twee, twee.
Okay. So,
No. Oh, okay.
all right. So, you see, you see over here the lower right-hand corner,
Uh
right?
huh.
That's my Webull account. That's my trading account. Watch this. Watch this. Bim. So, it's off. It's off. I turned it off.
All right.
Turn it off, bro. Shut it
All
off.
right. There we go. Who Steve?
Shut it off.
Okay. No, that's
Shut it
Brody.
off. Everybody together.
See you
Shut
guys.
it off.
No more.